So, sir, you're going to start on camera, then.
Nitaendea kwa nyuma. Unaweza ficha terrorism charge.
Terrorism is not only when you bomb using bombs, but if you make acts that are endangering human life, government installations, that is an act of terrorism. So we must understand where we are coming from. That is why we are able to charge people under that act. It is not that there is anything, and we must understand that when we charge people, they must not always have guns or bombs for us to charge under that act. The DPP does not work under any direction or authority of anything. And it doesn't mean that if demonstrations are against the executive, when the DPP makes a decision, it is from the executive. No, we make our own decision based on the law and evidence available.